So guys, in the previous video we saw about how to filter the records based on the date operation. Okay, so as you can see here, once again, so I am having the user table. So this is all the record from the user table. So this is the record which we are using for all the demos for the MySQL. Now I am having the address column and I have added some more address. I updated the address for these users. So as you can see here, I am having around seven. I think I don't know. I think yeah, I am having around seven users. So around two users are belongs to New York, and two users are belongs to Los Angeles, and then two users came from London, and one users came from India. Okay, so now we are going to filter the users based on the address. Okay, so but in that scenario, now just consider the scenario like I want to filter the user whose address is London actually. Okay, so generally what we can do, we can say where address equal to, we can say London actually, correct? So which means, so now whose address is based on this London, I want to filter the users. So I have given this London. If I execute this query, as you can see here, I will not get any result. That is because the user's address which we used in that column is the full address actually. Okay, which means, one second. So one second, yeah. So as you can see here, the London which I'm using in this address as it is in the between the text operations. So for example, Los Angeles, as you can see, it is in the between the text operations. So if it is this case, we cannot use this normal where condition to filter the record. So in this place, we need to use the terms called text search. So wherever the text is exists inside the column, then we need to filter the record. Okay, for the thing in SQL, we used to have the operation called like. Okay, and then we have this wildcard operator. This is very important. So here what we are telling is, so wherever this London is exists, okay, before or after, so before the text or after the text, which means before this London it may have anything, after this London also it may have anything. So wherever the London is applicable, only I want to retrieve the result. Means if I execute this query, as you can see here, now I can retrieve the person or the users whose address has the text called London. Okay, this is called text search. With the same scenario, let me go for that all the records. So as you can see here, now I want to retrieve the users whose address has this Los Angeles. Okay, so instead of London, if I provide this one, so I can able to retrieve the users nothing. Why? Because I have given the wrong name. Yes. Okay, so now I got the users whose address has this text called Los Angeles. Okay, so like this we can do the last example like India. So I have only one record, I hope so. Yeah, so as you can see here, I have only one user whose address is this India. Okay, so this is how we can easily filter the records irrespective of before or after what data it has. We can use this one called like with that wildcard operator. This is very important, the wildcard operator. So here I need to mention the percentage text percentage, which means before the text it can be anything, after the text also it can be anything. So between that, if you want to search the record, then we can go for this like with the wildcard operator. That's it. Okay, this is what the text search. Yeah.
Okay guys, so if you have any questions or any queries related with programming, post in the comments, we will help you. Thank you.